Okay, so today we're looking at this Hamilton Beach single serve blender. And it's also a to-go cup, so you can actually just pop it off and then you can simply take it on the go with you, which is a really, really cool feature. So I love that it's, able to be taken around with you. So let's go ahead and pop this off. Now let's unbox it. Check out. Oh, it feels like it's like a very, very sturdy plastic. Let me grab this lid over here, which does open and close, so very cool. Instruction guide, we won't worry about it. I'm going to pack this stuff back in. Let's take a look. So the first thing is we have these little pads here, and this is just where the cord wraps up. So when you're taking it on the go or wherever you're packing it, you can see it easily wraps around the machine. So it makes for a very simple to-go process. The blade looks pretty sharp, so that's a good sign, obviously. I have a little bit of tape here. That looks like it just helps hold it into place. We're going to, and it really is a small unit, so it's super compact. So if you just make individual sized blenders or individual sized smoothies, this would probably be the best option. Now, that's just how you take it off, and then you can see you can just take this on the go with your lid on, right? So you can put your straw through there. Now, obviously the blade would still be there. But that's not really a big deal, right? 'Cause your straw is just gonna go around it. So that's a nice little feature. So you can see it opens up and you can fit a straw in there, like a metal straw or whatever kind of straw you have. And then once you're done cleaning it, you just pop it back into place. And really all it has is one functional button right here, right? So it's just on and off, that's it. It's that simple. You'd pop the lid on. I would just put like frozen fruit up to here, fill it with liquid up to the frozen fruit, blend it or juice or whatever. And you'd pretty much be good to go with making it. Now it does have a decently long power cord, right? You can see the size of it. Luckily you won't have it right up against the outlet, which is really nice. But yeah, nice little power cord as well. And then when you're done, we just wrap it up. And we are good to go all of a sudden. So that is the single serve smoothie blender that's Hamilton Beach. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you checking out the video.